A way I found to try and make it fun as well was letting them choose their own potty or toilet seat. So I let her choose a pink one with a star on and things like that, and now she never wants to get off it.
Which is brilliant.
Do you have any tips on making potty training fun? Because this time around, because I knew what was coming, I was like, I'll start next week.
I do, loads. For me, I really like to put a big poster up in the bathroom of perhaps a favoured character or even, an animal scene, something that just makes the bathroom environment slightly more inviting for a youngster.
Oh, I never thought of that.
Also, I really like to have either a bag or a basket of toys or bits and bobs that basically a child's going to enjoy interacting with to keep them in that environment and hopefully sitting relatively still, but while still having fun. But some of my favourites are what I call a personal care bingo. And you can have little pictures of the bits and bobs they've got to do, anything from hand washing to flushing the toilet to wiping, or have a picture of toilet roll, and allowing them to kind of go through their little checklist to ensure that they are getting into the habit of doing all of those really important, personal hygiene tasks.
A way I found to try and make it fun as well was letting them choose their own potty or toilet seat. So I let her choose a pink one with a star on and things like that, and now she never wants to get off it.
Which is brilliant. It's funny though, so many parents reach out to me with the opposite problem where their children will not even entertain the idea, and in some instances they're quite fearful. So that's a really lovely tip for them if they're able to introduce a personal aspect.
Yeah.
But sometimes you can get into a little bit of a power struggle and, your little one might just decide, no, that's not for me.
Yeah.
So if anybody does find themselves in that situation, it's actually really important to keep things really low pressure, just so that we're not adding that kind of anxiety to it.